Hello everyone, welcome to Miracle Learning Center. Today we're going to look at extraction of iron. Extraction of iron. This is under the chapter of metals. According to the reactivity series, iron is a moderately reactive metal. Iron is a moderately reactive metal. So we undergo reduction by carbon. So this is done in the blast furnace. So in the blast furnace, we have waste gas coming out. Okay, so we have hot air entering here. Okay, you need to know how to label this diagram, and the waste gas will escape from the top. Okay. So you have raw materials being added, and there are three main raw materials that you need to know that's added. They are hematite, which is your iron 3 oxide. You have coke, which is your carbon, and the third one is a limestone, which is calcium carbonate. Okay, so you're going to add these raw materials in. What is your main purpose? Your main purpose is to extract iron. Okay, so you added these raw materials in. Okay, the first reaction, carbon is going to react with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Okay, carbon is going to react oxygen to form carbon dioxide. This is a very exothermic reaction. Okay, so it produces a lot of heat energy. Okay, the blast furnace is lined with magnesium oxide, a compound with extremely high melting point, Mg2 plus and O2 minus, an ionic compound, so you can withstand the heat. After you get carbon dioxide, you need to reduce it to become carbon monoxide, which is a reducing agent. So carbon dioxide, you need to reduce it with carbon to form carbon monoxide. You need to balance with a 2 in front because there's 2 carbon there and there's only 1 carbon here. The purpose of carbon monoxide is that it's a reducing agent to reduce iron 3 oxide to iron, which is your main purpose, to get iron metal. So iron 3 oxide is being reduced by carbon monoxide to form iron. Okay, remember this is your purpose, to extract iron and carbon dioxide. So this is the most important equation, although you need to know all of them. Your main purpose, remember, is to get iron. So iron 3 oxide is being reduced to iron. Remember reduction? Fe3 plus became iron 0. Okay, this equation is not balanced yet. Okay, we just finish with this, then we go on to balancing. Carbon monoxide becomes carbon dioxide. It has been oxidized. Gain in oxygen, and oxidation number also increases from +2 to +4. Okay, so this is a redox reaction. Carbon monoxide is acting as a reducing agent. Okay, now we have to balance the equation. Okay, should have done it earlier. Okay, there's 2 iron here, so you need to put 2 here. Okay, oxygen, there's 2 here, and there's 1 here. So what do? There's a total of 4 oxygen here, and a total of 2 oxygen here. So you need to put a 3 here, because you need to get 6 oxygen in order to balance the 6 oxygen here. And you end up with 3 carbon and 3 carbon over here. So the balancing for this equation is actually 3, 2, and 3. Okay. This is the main equation, and you need to also explain the reduction and the oxidation that has occurred. And carbon monoxide is the reducing agent. Okay, remember carbon alone, and then you get carbon dioxide and it's reduced to carbon monoxide. This will help the reduction to take place. Okay, next. Okay, next we will have calcium carbonate, which is also added here. And calcium carbonate will break down to become calcium oxide and carbon dioxide on heating. Okay. And what will happen? What is the purpose of having calcium oxide? Calcium oxide is needed to remove acidic impurities like silicon dioxide to become calcium silicate. Or also known as slag. Okay, you actually get the molten slag on top and molten iron below, because iron is more dense, so it will be below, and molten slag is on top. Hot air goes in here, okay, and waste gas and exit from here, and you add in 3 raw materials. You need to label this diagram. You know how to label them. These are the 5 equations. Okay, calcium silicate is used to lay roads. Okay, what else do you need to know about this? Calcium silicate, the main purpose is to remove impurities like silicon dioxide, which is an acidic impurity. What type of reaction do you think this is? What type of reaction is this? Calcium oxide reacting with silicon dioxide to form calcium silicate. What type of reaction do you think this is? This is actually a neutralization reaction, because this is a base reacting with a acidic oxide. So you'll get salt and water. Okay, so in this case, acid base, so it's actually a neutralization reaction. In this case, no water. Okay, so acidic oxide reacting with a base will give you this salt. Neutralization reaction is the name for this reaction. Okay, so you need to know the label, you need to know the 5 equations, and you need to know how to explain the reduction and oxidation. You need to know this is a neutralization reaction. This is a thermal decomposition, because calcium carbonate has broken down into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. And this is a combustion reaction. This is also reduction. Okay, we'll come to the end of extraction of iron. For more videos, go to miraclelearningcenter.com. We are specialists in science and maths. Thank you for watching the video.